Hello and welcome to my new video. In the previous video, we introduced discovery, its benefit and how it builds at your CMDB through horizontal scanning and application mapping. Now it's time to go deeper under the hood to understand how discovery actually works and how you can customize and control what gets discovered. In this video, we will explore top-down discovery, the role of probes, how sensors collect data, and how patterns power intelligent discovery. Let's begin with top-down discovery, a more focused service-driven approach compared to the horizontal discovery. What is top-down discovery? Instead of scanning everything on the network, top-down discovery starts with a known entry point such as a URL, port, or IP, and works its way downward to discover related infrastructure. Service focused, this method is ideal for building service maps where you care more about how components work together and deliver a business application. Like entry point example, you start with a web server URL. From there, discovery identifies the host, the app server, the database it's connect to, and more. Use MIDS plus patterns. Just like horizontal discovery, it uses the MIDS server and discovery patterns to explore each layer, but it does so in a target way. Next, let's look at probes, the tool that gather raw technical data. What are probes? Probes are lightweight scripts sent out by the MIDS server to collect specific piece of information like operating system type, running processes, installed software, or open ports. Types of probes. There are probes for almost everything. WMI probes for Windows, SSH probes for Linux, SNMP probes for networking gear, and even Cloud API probes. Then data collection. The probe executes remotely, collects the data and sends it back to the MIDS server, which forwards to the service node for processing. Then custom probes. You can create custom probes for niche environment, but in most cases ServiceNow provides out-of-the-box probes that meet most needs. Now let's talk about sensors, the interpreters of the data collected by probes. So what are sensors? Sensors are scripts that take the raw data from probes and translate it into the CI attributes for the CMDB. Work with probes. Think of probes as the data fetchers and sensors as the data processors. Together they form a pair. Data normalization. Sensors clean up value, validate the format, and match it to existing CI fields, helping to avoid duplicate or dirty data. In customization, like probes, you can also create custom sensors if you are handling unique systems or need specific data transformation. Finally, we have patterns, the high-level blueprints for discovery. So what are patterns? Patterns are flow diagrams or script that define how to discover CI or application, what steps to take, what props to send, and how to interpret responses. Visual Designer, you use ServiceNow Pattern Designer to build or customize these patterns. It's drag and drop tool that makes it easier to visualize the discovery process. Then reusable logic. Pattern can include reusable steps, decision points, and logic, making them flexible for different versions of software and configuration. Then advanced discovery. Patterns allow discovery to move from find and list to understand and connect, making your CMDB service aware and dependency driven. To sum up, discovery is more than just scanning. It's coordinated process involving probes, sensors, and patterns driven by either horizontal or top-down logic. Mastering these components lets you customize how discovery works for your environment, making your CMDB richer, cleaner, and more aligned with the real business services. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the mid server, the secure bridge that makes all this possible. Thanks for joining and see you in the next session.